Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ready-made payasam. First, gather your ingredients and read the package instructions carefully. Most mixes require adding milk and sometimes a little extra sugar to achieve that perfect sweetness. This convenient option allows you to enjoy a delicious, traditional dessert with very little effort, making it ideal for busy days or unexpected guests. Let's get started on the simple steps. Before you start, ensure you have everything ready. This includes your chosen ready-made payasam mix, the specified amount of milk, which is typically around 2 to 3 cups, and any additional sugar if desired. Having your pot, stirring spoon, and measuring cups at hand will make the process smooth. Don't forget to prepare any garnishes, such as toasted cashews or golden raisins, to add a lovely finishing touch. Now for the cooking. Pour the milk into a heavy-bottomed pan and heat it gently over medium heat until it's warm but not boiling. Slowly add the payasam mix, stirring continuously to prevent lumps and ensure even cooking. Keep stirring as the mixture simmers and thickens, which usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Taste it, and if you prefer it sweeter, stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar until dissolved. Once your payasam has reached that perfect, creamy consistency, remove it from the heat. For an authentic aroma, you can stir in about 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now comes the fun part, garnishing. Sprinkle with toasted cashews, almonds, or golden raisins. You can also add a small drizzle of ghee for extra richness. Serve your delicious payasam warm for a comforting treat, or chill it in the refrigerator for a refreshing cold dessert. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.